Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to monitor job executions on Heroku using Cron To Go. This comes in handy in the case of failed jobs, or if you want to ensure that your job runs on schedule. To begin, go to your app's dashboard, find Cron To Go in the add-on list, and click on it. Cron To Go's dashboard pops up automatically with your list of existing jobs. Look for the job you'd like to check, and click on the Actions box to the right of the job. Then click on View Job History. Your job history is composed of the last recorded job activity. This includes the time it started, the duration of the job, and the job status. You can expand the execution to view the exit code and the execution log. If the job fails, the status and error message will help you figure out what went wrong. For this job, the log contains the job output, our website response time. It's worth noting that Cron To Go doesn't capture the app logs, but instead presents the logs that are available on Heroku. Since Heroku only stores the last 1,500 lines of logs, we recommend that you add a third-party logging add-on. You can read more on how to debug jobs in our blog. That's it. Now you've got eyes on those jobs of yours. Thanks for watching our short tutorial.